Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Hi, I'm Laddie, and the recipe we are preparing today is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Imagine some juicy, perfectly seasoned, fresh, tender pieces of chicken fried to perfection, served with colorfully nutritious vegetables with some rich, creamy mushroom sauce and cheesy mashed potatoes. This is not your regular meal, it's a celebration. Simply follow our detailed step-by-step recipe and learn to create this perfectly delicious meal. Our recipe for today is delicious chicken steak with mushroom sauce, steamed vegetables and mashed potatoes. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 300 grams of chicken boneless thigh pieces and placed them in a bowl. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. Add quarter teaspoon of Goan spice powder. Press the link which appears now at the top right hand corner of your screen for the recipe to prepare Goan spice powder. This link is also provided in the description box below. Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. Step 2. Preparing the potatoes. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 350 grams. On medium heat, boil the potatoes without removing the skin. Cook until the potatoes are boiled. This will take around 25 to 30 minutes. While the potatoes are still hot, place them in a bowl. Remove the skin while they are still hot. Mash them using a fork or a potato masher. Make sure there are no lumps or hard pieces of potato remaining. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cheese. Mix everything properly. Warm milk or butter can also be added to make it smoother. Check for salt and add if required. Mashed potatoes are ready. Step 3. Preparing the vegetables. Take 2 medium-sized carrots weighing around 150 grams. Take 100 grams of French beans, 50 grams of sweet corn. On medium heat, place water in a pan and then place a strainer on top of the pan. Add the vegetables in the strainer for steaming. If you have a steamer, then you can use that instead. Steam the vegetables until tender yet crisp. Cover and let the vegetables cook for around 15 minutes. Do not overcook them as you will lose most of the nutritional value. Steamed vegetables are ready. Step 4. Preparing the mushroom sauce. On medium-low heat in a thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or regular cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. We added salted butter. Let the butter melt. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon or 7 medium-sized finely chopped garlic. Sauté the garlic for 2 minutes. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Take 100 grams of mushrooms. Wash them thoroughly, peel the skin and slice them long. Add the mushrooms. Sauté the mushrooms until they release water and reduce in size.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Add 1 teaspoon of salted butter. Now reduce the heat to low. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix everything nicely. Prevent it from sticking to the pan. Add 2 cups of 500 ml of pre-boiled warm milk. Mix everything nicely. Add 1/3 cup or 85 ml of fresh cream. Add 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add 4 tablespoons of grated cheese. Mix everything nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything properly. Check for salt and add if required. Once the sauce is thick and creamy, it is done. Mushroom sauce is ready. Step 5. Frying the chicken. Take 4 tablespoons or enough quantity of corn flour required for coating. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Mix everything properly. Coat the chicken pieces with the flour mix. Ensure the chicken is completely coated on all sides. Coat the remaining chicken pieces similarly. On medium heat in a wide open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces in the frying pan. Fry the chicken for around 5 minutes on one side without stirring. After 5 minutes, turn the chicken pieces and fry for another 5 minutes without stirring. This will prevent the chicken from sticking to the pan. Keeping the flame on medium-low heat, fry the chicken for another 10 minutes. Occasionally flipping it to cook both sides evenly. Do not cover the pan while frying the chicken. Total time to cook the chicken is around 18 to 20 minutes. Fried chicken is ready. Step 6. Presenting the chicken steak. Plate the chicken steak with a generous pour of mushroom sauce, a side of steamed vegetables, and a serving of mashed potatoes. Then enjoy. Delicious chicken steak is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.